Hello everyone, I hope that we are all good. And so here is a video on my grandma's old 2009 Focus DIY ceiling fan. Now, the reason why I'm doing a video of it is because it is International Ceiling Fan Day, or Ceiling Fan International Day, whatever you guys might call it. So if I do video on this very special ceiling fan of mine that my grandma and granddad have had since 2009. It's such a very special ceiling fan to me that still works. And yeah, it's in my bedroom at my grandma's house, just hanging from the ceiling. As you guys know, I've got two ceiling fans. I've got a colours ceiling fan in oak and brown. In oak and brass. I'll start again. I've got a colours ceiling fan in oak and brass that was from B&Q. But this lovely old ceiling fan was from an old hardware and home retailer called Focus Do-It-Alls, or in 2007 they called it DIY. So in case some of you don't know or remember Focus Do-It-All, well, DIY they called it in 2007, is the rating sticker. You might recognise the logo. I'm not sure if you can quite see because the light's on at the moment. Yeah, sorry, it's going a bit blurry because I'm going quite close to its light. Yeah, it's fairly gloomy in here, so it's just on for a sec. I'm going to turn it off in a minute. Outside it's just got, it's getting towards the end of September now, so it's kind of got, yeah, it's a bit gloomy outside, but I'm going to turn the light off. If I remember what one it is, yes I do. Going to switch the light off. There we go. I know it may be slightly gloomier in here now as the light's off, but yeah, we can see the ceiling fan. So yeah. So in case some of you guys don't remember Focus DIY, or Do-It-Alls as it used to be called, I'll show you here. Here's the rating sticker. Pause to read that if you like. So Focus DIY, or Do-It-Alls as it used to be called. It was called Do-It-Alls in 1998 and it was called DIY in 2007. So Focus was around the time like Wix, B&Q and Homebase would have been around. Obviously I remember where I live in UK, we used to have a Focus DIY shop where this actually came from. And my grandma and granddad bought this home from Focus and had it brand new. So yeah, still in really good condition. I found it up in their loft quite a few years back now. Didn't know I knew they still had it, but I didn't know where it was in the loft, and I found it. And my granddad took it to his work and he managed to get it to actually work again, which I was really happy about. I've got so many special memories about this ceiling fan, as it brings back so much memories. This used to be in my grandma's bedroom, but it's in my room at her house now. So yeah, it's been in this room for now about 3 years now. 3 years it's been in this room. So yeah, just basic 4-bladed ceiling fan. Blades are made of wood, and everything else is made of metal. Obviously the lampshade is, it's a bit hot because the light was on, and the lampshade's obviously made of china. So yeah, I've got gold pull cords as well. These were original as well, and these still in good condition, which I'm really pleased about. So this one does the fan. We'll be turning on the fan very shortly. This one that's slightly longer does the light. Yes, it's the fan's pull cord that's a bit shorter, but the light one's slightly longer. But I don't know how they designed it, they just did it. Looks a bit like an Argos Argos Valley range ceiling fan from about 2009, and it also probably very likely also looks like an old B&Q ceiling fan from about 2009, but no, it's Focus Do-It-Alls. So yeah, I need to clean it, but apart from that, it's still in good condition. So yeah. So yeah, again, it's one of these types of ceiling fans that where the blades can spin forwards and they can reverse as well. So yeah, it's just the way they do it. So yeah, yes, anyway, so without any further ado, let's switch it on. Starts up on high speed. Sounds a bit creaky because I think it's got something a bit loose on it. And yes, it does wobble quite a lot, but I think it's just got something loose. Apart from that, it still works really well. And it's only about, what, 15 years old? It's still 15 years old, still going to last a long, long time yet. Yeah, it's a little bit rickety, but yeah, really impressed with it. It still works absolutely fine. Bit squeaky as well. That's above it. Just switch it to medium speed, once it slows down a little bit. See, I've got so many memories of this ceiling fan from when I was a really young child. And so yeah, I was quite young when my grandma and granddad brought it home from Focus Do-It-All. So yeah, sorry about that. It kind of stops there, so if I adjust it like that, then it will tell me that then it stops making that noise. It'll tell me it's got something loose. So yeah, at some point I'll go up above it, check everything's alright, but it should be. Don't see why not. It's only 15 years old, so I don't see why not. So yeah. So yeah, got a nice little airflow. Even on low speed, it's fairly powerful. I still sometimes have this on overnight. Well, obviously not this time of year, I probably won't, but in the summertime, sometimes I still have it on overnight. So yeah. Right, so I'm going to switch it off now, and obviously it's an older ceiling fan, obviously it's older in quality, so it takes slightly longer to slow down than the colours ceiling fan. I'm going to quickly show you guys it in reverse mode. So what will happen is that when I switch it back on, the motor will swing back and it will just spin the other way. Yeah, I'll slow it down slightly, but I'll just slow it down slightly, but I'll show you how it works, how it just swings back. There we go. Now it will extract the air upwards rather than blow it down. So if I was to put the camera up here, you might be able to feel a bit of breeze from it from up there. So yeah, so that's high speed on reverse mode. I can feel the air from the edges like up here. That's medium speed on reverse mode. And then that's low speed on reverse mode. So yeah, got good airflow. So yeah. I'll just swap it back into forward mode. So anyway, as I said, it takes quite a while to slow down. Obviously, it's an older ceiling fan from the sort of late 2000s of late 2010s. So yeah, as I said, as it's an older ceiling fan, and built quality in it is built fairly well, like really well. So takes slightly longer to spin down. So I'll end the video here, but it'll obviously slow down in a little while. Obviously, you see it takes quite a while. Got a bit more durability in it. And so yeah, yes. Anyway, so I do hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and see ya.